Hello everyone, guys. Today we are going to discuss the delete statement. So we will see the what is exactly the delete, what are their syntax, and what are the different ways, and we will take some examples and see that what will be the output after that query. So that is the important thing. We have to see all the queries carefully. Just see, the delete statement is used to delete existing record in a table. See, if we want to delete any record from a table, then we're going to use delete. In a previous session we have done that the update statement, where we know that if you want to modify or change any value in a record, see, then we use the update statement. But if we want to completely delete that row, then we will use delete statement. That is the main difference. After that, the syntax is delete from. Remember, don't forget to add from. It tells from which tables. So delete from table name where condition. So we will use this syntax. It will tell us to select this table and you have to delete from this table if that condition matches. According to that condition, you have to delete that rows or records. Remember, this is the main point of this delete statement. If we omit where clause, if we really don't want to include this where condition, then all the records will be deleted. If we don't use any where clause or simply write delete from table name, then what will happen? It will delete all the datas or the records from the table, not the table. Sometimes student thinks it will delete all the tables if we don't use where condition. No, it will not delete the table. It will delete all the records and going to give you the empty table with only the attributes name. Okay, we will see that there is a one query that delete from employees, that is the employees table, where CNAME is equal to Smith. It mentioned here any condition that go to the CNAME and check out where is the Smith value. CNAME values is Smith. Here is the value of CNAME is Smith. No, only one value. Okay, then what we have to do, delete that row. Okay, then what it will do, it will delete that complete this row. Okay, because this condition matches out in this table, then it will select that rows and delete that rows. Okay, after that, the syntax without where clause, which I have mentioned here, going to delete all the records. So delete from table name. Only we will write delete from the table name, like delete from employees. If I run this query, what will happen? It will not delete the table. Remember, I am telling again and again because this is the common mistake done by the students. Okay, so it will delete only the records inside this table. Okay, so it will delete this, complete all this. See, this will be the output after the last query. You will get only the structure of the table, which includes only the table name and all the name of the attributes, and nothing inside that table. No value of any attribute, just employee table name and the attribute name. Empty, we can say an empty table without records. Okay, so this, remember what you are doing while doing the running this query. So if you forget to add where clause and run this query, so just forget every data. Okay guys, so this is all about the delete statement. If you in the next session we will do the select top, where we will do the top, limit, fetch first, row number. On that basis, these are the basically clause. So we will do that. If you like my videos, so please like and share this videos and channels, and remember, please follow the playlist and the link is under the description, so you won't skip any videos. All the videos under the playlist by sequence wise, so you can follow every video. Okay, thank you.